Sound familiar? Did you know that noise in the workplace accounts for the vast majority of noise-induced hearing loss in the community? Hearing loss usually occurs gradually, over years, and it's mostly painless, so you probably won't even know it's happening until it's too late. Once your hearing is gone, it's gone forever. There is no cure for hearing loss. Noise at work can also be hazardous when the sound levels, or the PPE you use to protect your ears, prevent you from hearing warning signals and verbal instructions. Further, the strain of listening and talking over noise has been shown to increase stress levels and negatively impact on morale, efficiency, and overall job performance. Many of us take it for granted, but good hearing and clear communication are essential to your quality of life and your safety at work. So it's important that you understand and proactively manage your exposure to noise. The topics covered in this program are understanding how sound works, hearing loss and health effects, hazardous noise, hazard identification and risk assessment, reducing noise, personal hearing protection, proper use of PPE, and audiometric testing.